going to be doing today. Showing you guys how to make a solid 2 ways how to make an airplane. Paper airplane. We'll go with the first one. You just have to fold it like right here. If you guys see that right there. And then you have to like toss that right there. And then you open it back up. And then you do this. You see that right there? You have to fold it the other way. And then you have to fold it the other way. And then this is the one right here. You can fold it this way. And then you fold this back. And then you do that. And then you do this again. You fold it again. And
Wow.
and then you make this. So you flip that over, turn it around, and then you fold it right there. And then you fold the wings. And you have that. So you fold
That
the
is
other
beautiful paper airplane. So,
wing. Then a test fly.
a test fly.
And
That is amazing.
then we'll go with the second way. How to
Part 2. Come back for part 2.